Welcome to Pramit's Toy World. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have another exciting unboxing video. Today in our unboxing video we have a 69 Lotus Type 49. Hooray! And a glow in the dark Dinos and Eggs of Imagining Mapology. Hooray! And it includes 1 gid egg, 10 plus gid dino pieces, 2 gid force puzzles, 2 joints and 1 assembly guide. And they all glow in the dark. Gid means glow in dark. Yippee yippee! Whee! And this is one of my brand new moon lamps. So let's do the gid egg first. So let's start opening it first. It's opening, guys. I don't know why I'm liking to open it for the first time. I've never opened anything like this before in my life. Huh? What is this? I'll remove it later. Okay, so that's once first step is done, then now we'll have to remove the sticker, which is my problem. One sticker down. How satisfying was that? Second sticker down. Now let's open it. Oh, I forgot there's a third sticker. Why are there so many stickers? Imagine, I'm really like shocked how nice packing you do. But I don't like so many stickers. But actually, it's kind of satisfying. Now, finally, all the stickers are off. It's open. Guys, it's open. Hooray! So these are the 2 joints. Imagine make pieces sets. The gid box, egg-like stuff, and this puzzles and stuff. So this is the gid's one stuff and the other one. Hooray! Now I'll start to build it. Good thing that it had some manuals. Now let's remove all of that stuff which is not needed. Okay, so we have 1 joint, 2 joints. So we have 1 Brontosaurus and 1 what Taurus, I don't know. Okay, we have this stuff. Okay, let's start with the Stegosaurus. So let's leave the Brontosaurus like that. Stegosaurus first. First, take the blue joint. Insert the joint. Okay, so take the Stegosaurus here and put it in there and push it. I think it goes like this. Yeah, it goes like this. Nom nom. Then it says about these legs. It says to remove joints. To remove them. How is Imagine making such nice dinos? Okay, so this is waste now, and then after that we take this and it says this up. Wrong way I put it. technical difficulties. Now how do we put it? Okay, like this. Now I understood. I put it wrong again. What is wrong with me? Just do it like that. Okay, is it like this? Yeah, finally I got it right. It's a hard work. Then after this, one joint like that, other joint like this, or like this. There. Oh, that's why it does like no. And these two bits. These two bits go like. There, one piece down. Now the other piece, which is the last piece. You're right, the Brontosaurus is ready. Nom 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 nom. Finally, one done. Now for the puzzle pieces. This piece I think might go here. No, it won't. It's kind of tricky, guys. This one piece here. I think this here. I think this one goes like. Is that all? No, this is the last piece. Imagine okay. No canine tooth. This dinosaur does not have no canine tooth only. It has. See, this is what is the puzzle. And this is the dinosaur which came out of the egg. Nom 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 nom. The other side we see this all of the mud and all of this magic tri-crafts and all. So let's start with the other one, which is the Brontosaurus. So now for the Brontosaurus, I will have to remove all of this stuff which is for us nonsense. So now we will need this. And also these dinos also glow in the dark, and the glow in the dark, the Brontosaurus or whatever saurus, it will look on the photo here. It will look like this when it's ready and glowing in the dark. Looks pretty cool. And this. Now let me check this egg for 1 minute. How is this structure even made? Okay. So they snap it up like this. So this is how we snap it up. I think this is something I don't know. Okay, I understood this egg. I'll keep this on the other side. And this is the Brontosaurus. So let's start making the Brontosaurus. This is the pieces. And this is also, I understood, this Brontosaurus piece. Joint. Keep it straight. Boom. There. Now the leg. Oopsies. Wrong side. This always happens. Technical difficulties. Pop. Nom 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 nom. Half liquor. Oopsies again. There, the legs are ready. Nom 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 nom. Now these bits are so hard to attach. Plus they are made out of paper. So the worst bit is that we have to be careful with them. See, nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I'm going to eat you, bro. Bro, don't eat me. Nom 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 nom. But and also, let's now make this also bit for the facts. North America, it's written here. Swallowed rocks. Okay. You know, it's written here that one brain of a human is 20 brains of this Stegosaurus. And the weight of one Stegosaurus is of 30 humans. Whoa, it's crazy. And this is the other side. You might have seen this. Imagine it. Stegosaurus, Brontosaurus. Kind of looks like the same, right guys? So now we made it. So now let's switch off the lights and see how it looks. So this is how it looks, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Look, the egg is glowing. Even the puzzle pieces. Look how good this is. How great is this? Wow. Nom 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 nom. So now we should keep keeping everything back in its egg now, so that nothing happens bad to him. We'll have to put him, and then you can save it for later. Whee! Now let's start with the 69 Lotus Type 49. In 3, 2, 1, we were gonna open it. In 3, 2, 1. Whee! Very good. It opened. Boom. Take a look, guys. How does it look? Look, how can they make such miniature details? And it's also a Hot Wheel, original. In India, you don't get a lot of them, because I live in India. Boom, bro. It's drifting, guys. The motorbike is drifting. So now, at the final thing we are going to show you guys is the moon lamp. So you want to see the power, guys? So if you want to see the power right now, just like and subscribe by smashing it down below. So my recorder will be closing the rights in start. So see, guys, how is it? This is the power of this moon lamp. It glows. And plus, when you're sleeping, you can do. That was kind of funny. And if you want, you can just play. And also, it has the very 7 colors. And the best bit about it is the flash mode. Flash mode means when all the colors are playing together, which is happening right now. Take a look, guys. So one little, let me put it on my favorite color. Nothing. There we go. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. So bye bye.